Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning video. For today, we're going to learn new vocabulary about farm animals. Are you ready? Yes, that's great. So we have new vocabulary about farm animals. Let's start this picture. Okay, this is a goat. Goat. Okay, next we have sheep. Sheep. Okay, next picture, pigs. Pigs. Okay, next one we have cattle. Cattle. Okay, that's great. Say the word cattle. Next we have donkey. Donkey. Okay, that's great. Next we have buffalo. Buffalo. Okay, next we have dog. Dog. Okay, next we have cat. Cat. Okay, that's great. Next we have chicken. Chicken. Okay, next we have goose. Goose. Okay, next we have turkey. Turkey. Next we have horse. Horse. Okay, next farm animals we have ox. Ox. Okay, next we have cow. Cow. Okay, good job. Next we have duck. Duck. Okay, that's great. Next we have, how about this? Okay, this is rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, next we have, okay, mouse. Mouse. Okay. Okay, let's repeat this word. Are you ready? Yes, say I am ready. Now let's have this word is, okay, can you tell me what kind of farm animal is this? Here. Okay, goat. Okay, you're going to say it's a goat. Okay, that's great. Next picture. Okay, it's a sheep. It's a sheep. Next we have pig. Pig. It's a pig. It's a pig. Okay, that's great. Next we have, okay, very good, cattle. It's a cattle. It's a cattle. Okay, that's great. Next we have donkey. Donkey. It's a donkey. It's a donkey. Okay, next we have this word. It's a dog. It's a dog. Okay, that's great. How about this farm animals? Oh, chicken. It's a chicken. Can you say that again? It's a chicken. Okay, good job. Next, this word. It's a turkey. It's a turkey. Yes. How about this word? It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. Yes. Next, we have ox. It's a ox. It's a ox. Okay. Next, we have cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Next, duck. Duck. It's a duck. Yes, duck. Yes, duck has an egg. Very good. Next. Okay, that's great. Rabbit. It's a rabbit. Okay, can you say it again? It's a rabbit. Okay, very good. Next, this one. Okay, that's great. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, and then you're going to answer, yes, he can, no, he can't. Okay, now let's start with the farm animals, goat. Now, can he fly? Fly like this? Can he fly? Okay, no, he can't. He cannot fly. He just only walk. Walk. Okay, that's great. Next, how about a bird? Bird. Bird can fly? Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, he can. Very good. Good job. Next, how about pigs? Can pigs can swim? Hmm. No, he can't. Yes. No, he can't. How about this word? Yes, donkey. Is donkey can climb? Can climb on the tree? No, he can't. Okay. How about a cat? Yes, a cat. Can he fly? Cat can fly? Okay, very good. No, he can't. Very good. How about this word? Okay, a cow. How about a cow? Can he jump? Yes, he can. He can jump. How about horse? Horse. Can he jump? Yes. Yes, he can. Very good. How about a rabbit? Can he swim? Swim like this? Can he swim? Okay, very good. No, he can't. How about a donkey? Okay, a donkey. Can he fly? Fly like this? No, he can't. He cannot fly. How about a buffalo? Buffalo? Can he fly? No, he can't. Buffalo can run so fast. Run very, very fast. Right? Okay. Next, how about a duck? Can he swim? Yes, he can. He can swim. How about a chicken? Can he fly? Yes. Yes, he can. How about a sheep? Can he climb? No, he can't. Okay, that's great, kids. Have a good day. And now we're going to learn a new vocabulary about action word. Action word. Okay? Let's have first vocabulary. Let's have tidy. Tidy. Okay, next is brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Next, watch TV. Watch TV. Okay, next, fly. Fly. Okay, can you say it again? Fly. Okay, next, run. Run. Okay, very good. Next, we have swim. Swim. Okay, swim. Next, clean. Clean. Okay, that's great. Clean. Next, we have dance. Dance. Okay, dance. Next word, we have crawl. Crawl. Okay, crawl like a baby. Next, we have ride. Ride. Okay, very good. Ride. Next, we have cry. Cry. Okay, good job. Next, we have walk. Walk. Okay. Next, we have climb. Climb. Next, drink. Drink. Okay, drink. Next, we have cook. Cook. Yes, that's great. Cook. My mom cook dinner. Okay, next we have listen. Here, listen. Okay, that is listen. Okay, listen to your teacher. Okay, next we have read. Read a book. I can read the book. Okay, next we have sleep. Again, sleep. Okay, that's the word sleep. Next, we have eat, 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 eat. Okay, next we have sweep, sweep the floor. Okay, sweep, sweep the floor. Next we have carry, carry. Okay, that's great. Carry. Next, work, work. Okay, very good. That's great. Can you tell me this one again? What is it? Okay, it's tidy. Okay, it's tidy. How about this word? Brush my teeth. Yay, good job. Next, this word. Watch TV. Okay, Daddy is watching TV. Okay, next word. Fly. The bird can fly. Very good. Next we have run. I ran so fast yesterday. I ran so fast yesterday. Okay, next word we have swim. Swim. Okay, very good. I can swim. I can swim. Next. Okay, what's this, everyone? Okay, very good. Clean. Okay, clean. I clean my room. Okay, very good. I clean my room. Next. How about? Okay, that's great. Dance. I can dance. Okay. Here, how about this? Crawl. My baby sister's starting to crawl. Okay, very good. Next, ride. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Next, this one. I can cry. I cried yesterday. Okay, next, walk. Walk. Okay, I know you can walk like this. Walk, 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 walk. Okay, very good. Next, this word. Climb. The monkey climbed on the tree. The monkey climbed on the tree. Okay, next, we have drink. Drink. Okay, how about this one? Cook. Mom cooked dinner yesterday. Okay, that's great. Next, this word. How about this? Yes, that is listen. Okay, listen carefully. Next word. We have, okay, read. I usually read the books. Okay, next. Sleep. Sleep. Okay, next. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. Yes, good job. Next, this word. That's what's this? Okay, this is sweep. Okay, I can sweep the floor. I can sweep the floor. Very good. Next, here. Carry. I can carry the table. I can carry the table. Very good. Next, work. Work. Yes, work. Okay, now this time you're going to say, yes, I can, no, I can't. Okay, now, so let's have this word. Can you cook? Yes, I can. How about this one? Can you drink? Yes, I can. Can you climb? No, I can't. How about this one? Can you walk? Can you walk? Yes, I can. How about this? Can you cry? Yes, I can. Can you crawl? Yes, I can. Can you fly? No, I can't. Can you watch the TV? Yes, I can. How about this? Can you brush your teeth? Yes, I can. Can you read the book? Yes, I can. Can you sleep? Yes, I can. Can you eat? Yes, I can. Can you work? Yes, I can. Okay, that's all for today and have a good day. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.